Alchemist Radio.
All right, let's go. We are now ready to upload our collection logo and main image to Fjord. As you can see here, this is Feltzine's logo and main image, and it is connected to their website. But if you don't have one ready yet, that's okay. Just go to imgur.com and sign up. Here you can post your images, and Imgur will return a URL web address for you to copy and paste back into Fjord. Here are all the images I've uploaded to Imgur. For a collection logo, I'm going to upload this design by Chuck. So every time you upload an image, just click on the three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with some links. And you want to look for Get Share Links. From the Show Options window, select BB Code Forums and copy the address onto your clipboard. Go back to Fjord and paste the address into this NFT Collection logo field here. You'll have to remove these image tags in the square brackets to reveal a valid URL address. Now that our collection logo is set, we need to choose a main drop page image for our collection and do the same thing again. On Imgur, I'm selecting this image. I'm going to copy this link and get rid of the image tags on Fjord. You can see I didn't correctly format the ideal size as written in the orange text, but it will still work. Let's move on and add a description of our NFT collection for our peeps to read on the Fjord site. So for this tutorial, I only started with 10 NFTs, but imagine if we had 100 or 1,000 NFTs. I might want to keep some for whatever reason, for whitelists, for example. So in this field, this is where I would set how many NFTs I want Fjord to access. So if I had 1,000 NFTs and I want to keep 100 for whitelisting, I would type in 900 here. But I'm going to add all 10 of my NFTs in this field. Next, you'll add your Discord link here. Feel free to use our Discord link, https://discord.com/invite/alchemist, and add your website. Ours is https://www.alchemist.wtf. Next, we are going to have to put up our wheat as collateral. You can set it as high or as low as you want, but I'm going to just put in around $50 worth of wheat. Next, you'll have to set your start weights or high price allowed by Fjord. And I'm just going to slide this around until it works, but you can do the same thing on the end weights, but I'm going to let the price fall down as low as possible here. Next, you'll have to set a start date. You'll find that Fjord will let you start 5 hours after launch, but there is a way to start the drop immediately, and that's coming up. And here's where you'd set the end date, and I think 3 days later is fine. So now we can see a price discovery preview in time. Once this is live, this will change and respond dynamically live. So this could move up and fall in price based on demand once we launch. Here you can set OFAC compliance based on your region and set a mint fee. I think the 2.5 default is fine. So check this out. Mints are disabled by default, so we'll have to turn it on once we're ready to launch. We also have the right to pause minting at any time, and we have the right to end our mint whenever we want. Cool. So let's click on review. Here's our logo and collection image. It looks skewed here, but it will show up fine later. And we have our collection name, description, the number of NFTs in the drop, our Discord and website address, the amount of collateral we put up, and the duration of the drop. Let's click continue, agree to terms of use. Let's create our mint passes. In MetaMask, click confirm. Now let the transaction process continue without interruption. Just wait for all the spinning graphics to complete. Once our transaction has completed, you can close out this window, and next let's register the Fjord NFTs extension to our smart contract. Let's wait for confirmation. Confirm this transaction in MetaMask. Let the spinning graphics complete. And once everything is done, next, this is where all the LBP token magic happens. Let's approve giving Fjord access to our WETH by confirming this in MetaMask. Once this is done, we'll need to approve access to our Mint Pass. So let's grant permission in MetaMask by clicking confirm. And finally, let's schedule our Mint Pass LBP by going back to our MetaMask and confirming the transaction to complete this LBP and persist the information. Let the transaction submit and complete. Now, let's click on View NFT Drop. Boom! Here it is labeled Coming Soon, and this is the landing page that your community will see. All mints will show up here, and anything we do with our currently connected wallet will show up here. See this link here? Drop settings. This is only visible to you if you have your creator wallet connected. So let's click on it, and this is where you can start your NFT drop immediately. Check your balances and where to withdraw your rewards. Also, you can update your metadata JSON Pinata CID here if you need to edit or add more metadata. So let's switch on Mint to become active here. And in MetaMask, let's confirm that we are indeed enabling our Mint to be live. Cool. Our drop will start in about 3 minutes. Once your community starts minting your NFTs, you'll see it pop up live here under Mint Pulse. Or you can switch on nerd mode to see the changes happen live here. So next, let's create a Mint wallet so we can test our drop and check it out on OpenSea and Rarible. That's coming up in our next tutorial.